Okay class, this is Sir Collins once again, and welcome to my channel once again. This is your maths lesson on basic 4 or grade 4, and we are looking at this is a third lesson. Remember, this is our third lesson, okay, lesson 3. So we are looking at how to model or how to use token currency to represent what? Amount, okay, token currencies. And here is a teacher made token currency that I made myself. So I represent the 1 CD with what? Red, 10 CD with yellow, 100 CD with green, 1000 CD with what? Blue, and the 10,000 CD with violet. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to represent it with use it to represent an amount. Okay, an amount. Okay, so now if you have something like this, how do you represent it with the token given? You are giving something like that. How do you represent with the token given? Now first, let's go through what we learned last week, or what we learned in our previous lesson. That's lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2. Now, if you haven't watched the lesson 2, please go back. We're just revising it. I'm not going through over it. I'm just going, I have to revise for you to understand it. So I'm just revising it. So we learned how to shade, or how to shade with the graph sheet, with the model base, or how to represent the model base on the graph sheet. And we're giving this one as our flat, this as our long, and this as our cube. And the amount which we're giving for the flat was what? 10,000, long 1,000, and cube 100. So if you're asked to represent it on the graph sheet, the scale has been given by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters according to the scale given. So remember, with each box here, this is 2 is supposed to be equal. So you represent it as what? 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. That's one box. So if you're asked to represent this amount on the graph sheet, which is 10,000. Let's take the curriculum example. This is 12,500. So to represent this one amount on the graph sheet, all you need to do is make sure you position it perfectly to fit within the boxes for 10. Count up to 10. Okay, so you need only one of the flat. So you count up to 10 because this is 1. Okay, 1 represents 1,000. So you count up to 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if here is 10, then you count this side also as 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we okay? So here, that's 10. So then we need 2 of that. So 2 of this one, just put it back, 2 of that. So you do the same thing to this. Okay, do the same thing. And here we need 5 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As simple as that. Okay, so sometimes you have to try to use the scale. Okay, you can also represent it by 1 centimeter is to 1 unit or 10 units. Okay, so with this one, represent it like that. Okay, let's go. So that's what we did here, and we did example for this one. That's what you see it here. We need 2 of that one. We need 3 of this one, and we need 9 of that. Okay, now today we are looking at how to use the token currency note to represent amount. And in this one, the curriculum said the teacher should make his own token currency, right? Sorry, his own token currency. This is my own token currency. Teachers, you can also use this one. Students can also use it. Okay, so here we are going to model this. Look at the curriculum example. We are looking at the syllabus of the curriculum example. Then we come to our own examples. Okay, so let's model this one first. So he said we are going to model 2,480. 2,480. Now, so with this 2,480, how many we have? We don't have any of the token currency represented 2,000. So we have 1 represented 1,000. So we need 2 of the thousands. Okay, 2 of the thousands, which is blue. So we need 2 blues. Okay, so with this one, I need 2 of the blue. 2 blues. So first one, the second one. You need 2 of this one, so that's 2,000. So 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Are we clear? Then 400. You have only 100, so you need 4 of this one. You need 4 of that. Of that 4 here, so that's your 4. Then we need 8 of the 10 Ghana cedi. Okay, 8 of this to make it. This is 10 cedi, so we need 80 cedis. So 10 of this, 8 of that, 8 of that. So let me wait. So there you are. As simple as that. Very simple. So this is 2,480. Very simple. How do you, is it difficult? I told you. Here we go step by step. You understand it in low time. Just one example, you get everything. So if to represent this one, very simple. Sorry. To represent this one is so simple to represent this. Here now, we are moving toward 24,454. So here, you don't have 20,000. Any of the token currency represents 20,000. So we have only 10,000. So we are looking for the first one, which is 2. So this. First, let's expand this one and see. So 2. Now when you write 2, turn all the figures into a 0. So 0, right? So you have 20,000 there plus, and write 4. Turn all the figures into 0. Okay. And write another 4. Turn the rest of the figures into 0. So I'm expanding it for you to see how it goes. How you can get your token currency to represent them. So you have 20,000, 4,450, and 4. So you need, when you replace the cedi sign in front of them, you realize that you need this amount of money, this amount of currency to represent each one there. So you see, so you need, this is 20,000, then here we have 10,000. So how many of the 10,000 do you need? You need 2 of them. Okay, so 2 of the 10,000. So let's represent it quickly. So you go and copy it from there. Let me copy it here. Copy. So I need 2 of this one. So there's the first one, then second one. As simple as that. Then you need 4 of the, this is 4,000. So you need 4 of the thousands. So you need 4 of this one. So you have, need 4 of the thousands there. 4 of the thousands. For the thousands. Okay, so then I mean, what is the next step? We have 400. Okay, so you need 4 of the 100. This one, 4 of the green token. Need 4 of it. So you need 4. Okay, let me copy all the 4 here. Need to copy all the 4 here. Copy all the 4 here and bring it there. That's nice one. Then you have 10,000. How many 10,000 do you need? You need 5 of the 10,000. So 5 of them. Let's go for the 5. You need 5 of the 10,000. 5 of the 10,000. 5 of the 10,000. So I have to create another one of the 10,000. The 10 cedi. Create another one of the 10 cedi. Sorry, 10 cedi. 10 cedi. Okay, so that's what you see there. Okay, so how many do you need for the 11,000? You needed 4, so this one will have to come somewhere here. Doesn't matter where you place it, make sure it's exactly what you are doing. Okay, just follow the figure and represent the token currency there. Then we need, this is 4 cedi, so you need how many? 4 of the 1 cedi. You need 4 of the 1 cedi. Okay, 4 of the 1 cedi here. Okay, 4 of this 1 cedi. So that is how you work it out. So as simple as this, very simple. Or is it difficult? So simple, very simple. So this is how you work out your token currency. Now if you take the rest, to go through the rest, you can realize the rest is very simple to do. You need 13,560. So let me expand it for you later. You fixing your token currency. So here you have the 10,000 around, okay, plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, so when you write the first line, to expand it, write the first figure, turn the rest of the numbers into 0. So you have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, plus take the second figure, turn the rest into 0, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, plus take the third figure, turn the rest into 0, 1 2, okay, plus take the fourth, 6. Okay, that is how. So when you finish, go look for your token currency, how it was represented. So here we need 1 of the 10,000s, we need 3 of the thousands, and we need 5 of the hundreds, and we need 6 of the 10 cedi. Simple as that. Okay, so here too, when you expand, you realize we need 3 of the 10,000, 6 of the thousands, 7 of the 100 cedi, 4 of the 10 cedi, and 2 of the 1 cedi. Very simple, as simple as that. I hope you understand it and you can do it. Now we move on to our next lesson when I meet you on our next time. Okay, when I meet you next time, we move on to the next lesson. That will be lesson 4. So God willing, I'll see you guys all in our 4th lesson. So this lesson 3. I'll meet you guys all in our 4th lesson. As I said, please don't forget to always visit our site and look at the questions there. So if this is basic 4, so when you visit basic 4, we have maths lesson, where this lesson you see it over there, it should be lesson 3. Then you have questions, so visit the question area also, the maths question area, where you find questions relating to whatever we teach here. And the questions goes this way. We have question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. It follows in that order. You finish the first one before the second one. So let's say this particular lesson, which is lesson 3, let's check the question that relate to the question we are looking at, the lesson we are looking at. So here is the graph. Okay, so remember we did this one. That's the graph. That's lesson 2. Okay, so very nice. So you look at it, then you can also do it. Okay, very simple as that. Want to see, very simple. So you can do it as well. Then let's go to the next question. See question. Let's go to question 4. Okay, question 4, and check out for question 4. That's question 4. Then see what we okay. That's the token currency there. So that's the token currency we're looking at. So I'll give you examples, questions on the token currency. So look at question 4 and you work on it. Okay. So there are even possible answers there. And you finish, you compare your answers here. The one you had, compare the answers here. Okay. So God willing, I'll see you guys all in our 4th lesson. So until then, this is Sir Collins. As I always tell you, please donate. Please, for your parents, your children are benefiting. Kindly do what? Donate. The donation is very important to us. Okay, I'm dedicating my life, my time for your kids and everybody to benefit. So please also share your kindness by donating to us. So if you have MTN, you can donate to the number you see, the highlighted number. If you have Vodafone, donate to us, and the name is Collins Chete. We are there. Then if you are a crypto fan, if you are a fan of crypto, you can also donate to us with the addresses you see there. We'll be looking forward to your donations as well. God willing, I'll see you guys all in our 4th lesson. Until next time, God bless you all. In the Creator we trust. Out.